This is JioDive VR headset. Let's unbox it. By the way, nice packaging, guys. Okay, here is our JioDive VR headset. On the front side, the name and the image of the product is there. With love from Jio. Some of the features are mentioned on the back side, that is big screen viewing, 360 VR experience, phone compatibility, ergonomic fit, unlimited VR content and easy to use. Okay, let's open the box. We have quick user guide, our main headset and a cleaning towel. Except this three, nothing is there. Bubble wrap. Here it is, our JioDive VR headset. Talking about look, the look is incredibly awesome and the build quality is quite impressive under this price range. You can also adjust the lens according to your eye size. What you have to do, just click on this button, then it will be open. Then you have to just put your phone there and then close it again. You can download Jio Immerse app to enjoy Tata IPL. You can also enjoy other videos available on YouTube. To conclude, it can be slightly better, but it is a good option under this price range. See you guys in my next video. Till then, I will be enjoying this VR headset. Till then, bye bye.